Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect our Porkbun domain to Cloudflare pages. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to head on to Cloudflare, head on over to cloudflare.com and sign into your account, and then find the application name you'd like to add that Porkbun domain to. So I've got this weight loss tracker, so I want to go ahead and click into this. Now once we're inside of here, where it says build, make sure on workers and pages, and then click onto, in this case, my app, and then click into settings, so the settings tab. Now from here we want to go ahead where it says domains and routes, we want to go ahead and click on the plus add. Now from here we want to connect a custom domain, so you can connect your worker to a domain or subdomain within a Cloudflare zone. So you want to go ahead and open that, and then obviously you got your domain for Porkbun, so go ahead and add the domain in, and then just go through the necessary steps after that to successfully connect your Porkbun domain to Cloudflare.